Hi guys, how can you create a smart line art, smart edges effect in Photoshop? First, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate copy of your image. Next, go to select subject. Once the subject is selected, press Ctrl plus J to place it on a separate layer. Now select the background copy layer. Hold Ctrl and click the subject layer thumbnail to load the subject as a selection. Go to Edit Content Aware Fill. Photoshop will automatically remove the subject from the background. Click OK, then press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Now you have a clean background without the subject. As you see B turning off the bottom and top layer. Next, select the background layer, then go to Filter Blur Smart Blur. Set the radius to around 96.2, the threshold to 53.9, choose Quality High, and set the mode to Overlay Edge. Click OK to apply the effect. Finally, hold the Shift key, select all the layers, and press Ctrl plus G to group them. And that's it, before a normal image. After, a clean smart line, art/smart edges effect with stylized outlines. That's how you can create a smart line art, smart edges effect in Photoshop.